Oppan Gangnam Style.
Hello cats, Ross Perkins here alongside George Rath with your Red Day Cat's Eye presentation. Another reminder, all Best Buddies members, if you are going to attend the outing to the Children's Museum on the 21st, please make sure that you get your form to Mrs. Pyle by March 19th. The Best Buddies Friendship Walk is on April 28th. If you are interested, please see Mrs. Pyle in room 229.
Hey guys, AP exams may still be ordered for one more week through March 22nd. For spring testing with an additional late fee of $25. Return order forms and payment to the LM bookstore ASAP. If you have any questions regarding AP exam, contact Miss Clenny.
Get those order forms in, guys. Well, some exciting news for anybody out there trying to get big. Weight training, a very popular class here at LN, is now open to non-athletes for the upcoming school year. If you're up for the challenge and you would like to take weight training, please contact your counselor and have the course added to next year's schedule. Since this is a late addition to the master schedule, be quick to make contact if you're interested.
Our speech team, which has been doing great this year, is advancing on to state. The following students are competing for state titles in forensics: William Torres, Alexandra Herzog, Jocelyn Shelton, Paige Yancey, Farzana Memon, Elizabeth Pritchett Montavon, and in two events, Taylor Pearson, Mackenzie Jones, Sam Higgins, Mackenzie Reitz, Noelle Mueller, Abigail Radwick, Joseph Byler, Anika Nishat, and Olivia Cummins.
All right. Well, hey, one last announcement here for you guys. If you're ready for some girls' sports action on Thursday, listen to George here.
Yeah, Ross, our girls' track is taking on Warren Central here at Lawrence North, and our softball squad, led by Taylor Shelley and Emily Johnson, will be taking on New Pal, also here at Ellen.
All right. Well, that's it.
You guys have a good day, Wildcats.
Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the
This
dogs
Cat's Eye
out?
reporter Justin here with Miss Schwank and, of course, Eric Dietz. And what is the cat and dog food for fines? Could you please describe that to us?
Of course, I would love to, Mr. Ledford. Ms. Zimmerman is doing a drive to get rid of fines, if you have fines. And within the last month, I've sent out notices to seniors that have fines. You can bring in dog or cat food, and your fines will be taken off. And we will help the animals in the shelter. And don't you think that's a good idea, Eric?
It's a very good idea. I agree.
And are you bringing in your book, Crank, that you've had for 6 months?
I'm going to bring that in as well as pounds of dog food.
Oh, that is awesome. I'm so proud of you. Now, if you have a lost book, you can't take that off with dog or cat food because we need the money to buy a new book to replace it. But all fines, you can be removed if you bring in dog or cat food. And you probably want to know what we're going to do with this.
Yes, we would.
And there's a shelter that desperately needs the food for the animals, and we all love our animals, and we want to try to help.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
And everybody having a ball.